Hello everyone, my name is Jordan Winkler and I'm a product specialist here at Ableloft GMC and Kia, and this is the 2024 EV9. We are getting some in as we took some orders for some customers as they got them built up for themselves. So I kind of wanted to show you guys some of the options and features it does offer you and that you can have. This one actually happens to be the long-range all-wheel drive GT line. So I'm going to show you guys some of the features that it does offer you. This is not built up to totally what it can be fully loaded, but I will show you guys what this has and what it can offer you. This one does not have the active LED lighting that you can kind of get in there, and there is different patterns that you can buy. You can walk up to it, make it wink to you. It does come with 21-inch alloy wheels. And let's see, look at the driver convenience and comfort we do have here. All right, beautiful 29.6-inch display, panoramic, and they redesigned it so there is no dead spots, which is very nice. If you do notice, there is some LED lighting. You can get them with just one solid color. There is an option that you can kind of change them to two colors if you do like. All right. And this comes with the driver relaxation package. You just press this little button right here and it pretty much does it for you, which is pretty nice when you're going to be recharging and things like that. Some people are wondering why the driver's seat has that, but when you're recharging on those long trips, you can pretty much sit back and relax and enjoy. You do have some of the options that are on the door here: heated steering wheel, heated and cooling seats. You do have a massaging seat button as well. Also presets for driver 1 and 2. It does come with the Meridian surround sound system, nice premium sound system here. And this one actually did get configured with the second row relaxation package. Press that little button right there, pops right up for you. Look at that, look at that, that's crazy. Second row sunshade, you can put that down. This one also does have second row heated and cooling seats as well. And here we go here. Do have the auto tailgate. Does come with a charger for you. And obviously it is a third row, so that's pretty nice. You do have an outlet back here that is sliding there for you. You do have some buttons for easy access to the second row if you'd like to get those down. There's also some charging outlets in the back here, and also a button to put down the tailgate, which is also really nice when you are going to the charge. Give that a little press, opens right up. Very nice. Does have access to have the fast charger. All right, and then also another little button right here. Give it a little close automatically. It is awesome. It is awesome. So we are currently taking orders. All right, call us in, let us know. My direct line is 570-517-7571. Call us and let us know if you have any questions. Take care.